All right, so let's look at the second writing an exponential function based off a table problem. Remember, you need to only find the first term and what they're changing by each time. So the first term, obviously, is 10. A little out of focus there. So it is 10. But finding what it changes by each time, remember the common ratio is what you're multiplying by each time to get the next term. So 10 times something gives me 5. Well, I definitely can notice, I look at it and I see, okay, 10 divided by 2 gives me 5. But what times 10 can give me 5? So the quickest and easiest way, without having to use some thinking here, or the word reciprocal, because apparently everyone hates the word reciprocal, is you could take this second term, 5, and divide it by the first term, 10. And that gives you your rate of change, or your ratio, sorry. Your ratio is 0.5. So here, I'm going to use this little simple equation we talked about in the previous problem. If you haven't checked that problem out, make sure you do so. So you have y equals a1 times r raised to the x power. A1 here is 10 times r, which we just said was, what was it? Oh, 0.5. So 0.5 to the x power. And there you have it. That is your equation. So your exponential function is y equals 10 times 0.5 to the x power.